Hi YouTube. Every year this meadow here, because we live so close to the creek and there's springs underneath there, we have gravel on top of it, but Doug has to backblade it and get rid of the ruts from the spring every year. And we're going to probably get more gravel to put in that. There's a sinkhole kind of right over in there and organize our vehicles, but like one over there is gonna go and that one's our friends, but um so anyway, and that one is going to be, it's blue on the other side, already been working on it little bit by a little, and the motor's ready to go in it. But that's what it takes to live out here. Lots of hard work every day. That's my truck. It needs a little help. It got hurt, but not too bad. Hot rod over there. Let's see what the sky looks like. I'm going to do another video with Doug and I'm going to upload it to his YouTube channel. And then people can talk to him over there, his friends, and everybody will always have a connection there. And then I'll share a link with my page too. So, because he comes a lot of, well, he it's hard to explain, but the energy of the dark cabal that he can influence is like no other on this planet. So as far as helping them to ascend, if that's their wishes, he actually can help. Isn't that a trip? Well, so can I, but they have a hard time listening to me. But that's okay. I'm cool with that. I don't like listening to them very well either. Okay, I'm going to try and hold you still. I drove one of them home from a place we bought it. Oh, let me see, it was probably about 8 miles away, I think. It was a little bit smaller than that one. Although I have driven like ones that are very, very large. 1850 Massey Ferguson, if you know what that looks like. It's about, the tire is about three times taller, maybe more than that one, the back tire. I used to sit in the tire and have my lunch. That's a real thing, I'm telling you. So yeah, it's like that song, She Thinks My Tractor's Sexy. No, I like mine too. I did like the little one I drove home. It wasn't little, I mean, it was, you couldn't really probably tell much of the difference besides the